Hello you guys, welcome back. If you are new, my name is BlancaEstela. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my Yes or Yes June bag. It came in a box this month. This switches from a bag or a box. It came in a bag today, so I'm going to be unboxing my Yes or Yes June box. Okay, so this month we got one. This isn't part of it. What the fuck? 2, 3, and 4 products, I believe. Let me read the card. Yeah, we got 4 products this month. And this month's value, well, first let me start with the theme. This month's theme was Glam Treasures. This is the little card. And then back it tells you about the products and the value. Why did my hand look so dark? This month's box value was $97.96. And again, I paid $14.99 plus shipping and handling, so it comes out to like $16.99, I think. But yeah, I do have a discount code for you guys. Or no, when I have a link, the link is probably easier because you just click on the link and it gives you 10% off your first box. If you guys are interested, just click on the link down below and it'll take you, and then it'll give you 10% off your first box. First box only though. And yes, okay, so let's get pretty excited about this month because we got some pretty good products, okay? Okay, I'm gonna start off in order of the card. So the first thing on the card is the palette. This is the Treasure Chest palette by Mellow Cosmetics. Right here. And then this is the back. I like how I have the shades and the shade names. And then on the back it says that it's paraben free and no animal testing, so that's pretty cool. The thing is, I can't take it out. It's like really hard. What the fuck? Hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna put it back in the box, that's for sure. I'm gonna throw that away right now. Okay, this is so pretty. Ignore the teeth marks. But this is the palette. It's so glittery and pretty. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay. This is the inside of the palette. Super, super pretty. I like the shade range. I probably have all these mattes in other palettes, but the shimmer eyeshadows, I don't have the yellow one, not this pinky one, or this dark maroon one. I don't have those in any other palette, so that's pretty cool. And I don't know why, but the yellow one is getting my attention, so I'm probably going to do a tutorial with it in my next video. But these shades are really, really pretty. And I do want to swatch them with my fingers. Okay, so these are a couple shades right there. Really pretty and pretty pigmented. You guys see that? Really, really pretty. And the palette retails for $27.99. $27.99 for that palette, you guys. And you paid less than $20. What? Why wouldn't you want this? You know, full size products. 3 to 7. 3 to 7, yeah. 3 to 7. You know, so really, really pretty palette. Okay. So the next thing is a first let me take it out of the plastic because it looks a little bit weird with the plastic on. Think I got it. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, so the next thing is a highlighting. It's a highlighting crayon pencil. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is by Cella Cosmetics. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Cella. Chella eye. Oh, it's an eyeshadow highlighter. Eyeshadow. It's an eyebrow highlighter pencil. Okay. I like to pronounce the brand Chella. And this is what the pen looks like. So this is an eyebrow highlighting pencil.
Did I say eyebrow? I meant brow bone. No, eyebrow. What's wrong with me today?
Chella eyebrow highlighting pencil. Oh my god. And this is in the shade Ivory Lace. That is really pigmented. And it looks matte on here, but the swatch, girl, there is some shimmer up in there. Really, really pretty. The camera's not catching it, but it has some shimmer in there. So, I've never tried an eyebrow highlighting pencil before, so I'm pretty excited about this. Where is my... Here it is. This retails for $19.99. $20 for this little thing. What? Damn. I'm actually excited to try this. The next thing is a brush, and this is from Crown Brush, and this is their Pro Blush brush. Let me take it out of the plastic. And this brush retails for $22.99. Damn. This is really pretty. There's a brush right here. I actually like the packaging, a white one. It's just really pretty. It feels really nice. And the bristles are not too hard, but not too soft. And if you have a small face, you can actually get away with using this as a contouring brush, because it's kind of small and not too fluffy. But I think if I'm going to use it for a blush brush, I would turn it sideways like this, so I can take up the whole cheek. I can probably get away with contouring too, because this actually fits right here. So, you know, so many things I can do with this brush. So, and then the last thing, it's from, if you guys saw my Ipsy video, where am I gonna, oh no, I'm gonna upload it after this one. In my Ipsy bag, I got something from the same brand. This is from Deuce. That's how I think I pronounce it. I'm not sure. But this is their Punk Voluminizer Mascara. This is what the packaging looks like, the box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. So it's pretty cool that I got two things from the same brand in 1 month, because if I like the brand, I can buy more stuff from it. Oh, this feels really nice. This is what it looks like. And this mascara retails for $26.99, girl. Damn. It has some words on the back. I'm going to read to you guys what it says. Define lashes one by one, making them thicker with spectacular lashes. Short and long bristles are made for separation and lengthening. So, let's look at the brush, shall we? I like smelly things. You guys should know that by now. It doesn't smell like anything. So, this is a brush right here. It reminds me of the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know why, but it does. I'm excited to try it. I'm not going to put it on right because I already have mascara on. But, you know, I'm going to try to use all of these products in the next tutorial. Also with what I got in my Ipsy bag, because I did get a couple of things in there. Wait, did I get it? Yeah. But yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Like I said, the box value was $97, $96, and I only paid $12. It was $12.99, but they upped the price $2. $16.99 plus shipping and handling. Oh wait, no, $14.99 plus shipping and handling, which brings your total to $16.99, I think. But yeah, and remember, I do have a link for you guys if you guys want to get 10% off your first box. It's going to be down below. Just click on it. It'll take you to the website, and it will automatically discount you 10% off. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys. Bye.